Morning. Those in St. Charles County impacted by flooding back in 2019 could soon get a break nearly 5 years later. Our Mercedes McKay joins us live with the criteria people must meet for a federal buyout. Good morning, Mercedes.
Good morning, Sydney. You know, this has been a long time coming. Nearly 5 years after so many homes were swamped by the flood in the northern parts of St. Charles County, help is finally on its way, but there's not enough money for everyone. St. Charles County received $15.7 million, and that's only enough to buy up to 100 homes. Now, letters went out to nearly 1,000 residential property owners in the county, Portage-de-Sioux, West Alton, and limited parts of St. Charles City. The buyouts are mutually voluntary, so that basically means both the buyer and the seller must agree to participate. Now, once a home in the flood zone is bought, that home will be demolished and the land will be converted to open space. Here's the criteria you must meet for the buyout. I have it laid out for you on the screen there. You must have owned the home at the time of the flood as well as currently. Now, this includes owner-occupants who are heirs of a deceased owner, as well as deployed military personnel who own a home that's affected. Now, you're also eligible if you lived in and owned affected property with up to 3 residential tenant units within the same structure. Now, if you are eligible and you're interested in selling, the first thing you actually have to do before you can begin the application process is complete an interest form. You can do that online, by phone, or even do it through the mail. Live in St. Charles, Mercedes McKay, 5 on your side.